Sri D.K. Shivkumar, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri Ramlinga Reddy, Honorable Transport Minister, Government of Karnataka, Mr. Sushant Naik, the President of SHAFE and Global Head of Tata Motors, Mr. Alok Jaitley, the Vice President, SHAFE and EVP of Maruti Suzuki India, distinguished dignitaries on the dais, esteemed guests, representatives from the Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers, media friends, and ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to be with you today at the Society for Automotive Fitness and Environment annual convention held here in Karnataka, a state committed to sustainable development and road safety. The theme of this year's convention, United Efforts for Road Safety, Our Roads, Our Responsibility, could not be more relevant. It calls for a collective commitment to making our roads safer for all. India, with its vast and diverse landscape, has achieved remarkable progress in various fields. The Indian automotive industry has played a pivotal role in this journey, emerging as the fourth largest automotive sector globally. It contributes 6.5% to our GDP and provides direct and indirect employment to over 30 million people through extensive forward and backward linkages. However, this growth has brought its own set of challenges, particularly in road safety. Last year alone, India recorded more than 168,000 road fatalities due to traffic accidents, causing immeasurable grief to countless families. This not only results in emotional trauma, but also poses a significant economic burden, with road accidents costing India approximately 3.14% of its GDP. Food safety is not just an economic issue, it's a matter of life and death. The loss of lives and the suffering of families due to road accidents is something we cannot and must not accept. It affects the lives and livelihoods of people, living them scared physically, emotionally, and financially. In Karnataka, road safety is a top priority. As Chief Minister, I have personally overseen several initiatives aimed at reducing the fatalities and improving road safety infrastructure. Just yesterday, we launched 65 well-equipped ambulances for emergency response, a step towards strengthening our commitment to saving lives. It is indeed alarming that road accidents continue to claim so many lives across India, and Karnataka is no exception. We are determined to change this reality through a comprehensive approach involving infrastructure development, stringent enforcement of traffic regulations, and heightened awareness among road users. Over the past few years, Karnataka has made substantial investments in road infrastructure. We have undertaken large-scale projects to build and expand highways, improve urban road networks, and ensure safer roads in rural areas. In collaboration with central agencies and private stakeholders, we are working to develop safer junctions, ensure all critical roadways are equipped with proper signage and making markings and address accident-prone areas commonly known as black spots, where recurrent accidents and fatalities have been reported. While infrastructure development is fundamental, the enforcement of traffic law is a cornerstone of road safety. I am proud to share that Karnataka has been at the forefront and adopting advanced technology to minimize risks and enhance road safety. We have implemented systems to monitor traffic violations such as overspeeding, reckless driving, and drunk driving. This includes the deployment of speed cameras, all enabled red light violation detection systems and integrated traffic management centers across major cities like Bengaluru and Mysore. For instance, on the Bengaluru-Mysore highway, the implementation of smart systems has significantly reduced the accidents and fatalities. This is just the beginning. Our goal is to extend these systems across all major roadways in the state, ensuring that our roads are safe spaces for everyone, whether they are pedestrians, cyclists, or vehicle operators. Our state police and transport departments are diligently enforcing the road safety provisions under the Motor Vehicles Act. We have made significant progress in ensuring compliance with helmet use, seat belts, and speed limits, among other regulations. Education is a critical component of road safety. We have been actively promoting awareness campaigns across the state, particularly during the annual Road Safety Week, which includes workshops, road shows, and media outreach. These initiatives aim to instill a culture of responsible driving and a sense of shared responsibility among all road users. Recognizing the importance of educating the youth on road safety, we are working with educational institutions to integrate road safety education into school curriculums, starting from the early years. Our children and youth are the future drivers, cyclists, and pedestrians, and their understanding of road safety today will shape a safer tomorrow. The government alone cannot bear the burden of ensuring road safety. Today, I call upon all stakeholders, government bodies, enforcement agencies, vehicle manufacturers, civil society, and the general public to join hands in this mission. The theme of today's event, United Efforts for Road Safety, embodies this collective responsibility. Organizations like CM, Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers, and SHAPE, Society for Automotive Fitness and Environment, have been at the forefront of these collaborative efforts, providing invaluable leadership in promoting vehicle safety technologies and safety advocacy and partnership across sectors. Road safety is not a one-time effort, but an ongoing mission. Our goal is to significantly reduce the number of road accidents and fatalities in Karnataka. This can only be achieved through sustained efforts in infrastructure development, strict law enforcement, and continuous awareness of building among our citizens. Looking to the future, we must also consider the evolving landscape of sustainable transportation, including electrical vehicles, autonomous driving, and smart cities. These innovations present both challenges and opportunities for road safety, and Karnataka is committed to being at the forefront of these developments. One of our most significant achievements has been the transformation of our public transportation system. We have taken decisive steps to make Bengaluru a green city by investing heavily in electric mobility. As many of you know, we have embarked on the largest electric bus procurement program in the country. Over the next 2 years, we plan to acquire 5,000 electric buses, which will not only reduce our carbon footprint but also improve air quality and quality of life for the residents of our cities. Our government has also set a new benchmark in worker welfare. The establishment of the Welfare Board for Unorganized Motor Transport and gig workers is a first of its kind in the country. The initiative reflects our belief in inclusive development, ensuring that the benefits of progress reach every segment of society. The Shakti scheme, with the soon to be launched Shakti card, as another step towards seamless digital instructions with the transport system, ensuring that our citizens benefit from efficient and accessible public services. As we look to the future, our government will continue to prioritize public transportation, road safety, and traffic management, pillars upon which we will build a more efficient, sustainable, and livable state. But our vision extends beyond Bengaluru. We are committed to making Karnataka a model state in sustainable development. Our focus on electric mobility, environmentally sustainable infrastructure, and innovative urban planning will ensure that our cities remain livable and desirable places for both residents and businesses. With the continued support of our citizens, I am confident that we will achieve a drastic reduction in road fatalities year by year, aiming for a 50% reduction by 2030. I am certain that the discussions and ideas shared at this convention will further strengthen our resolve to make our roads safer. Together we can create a future where road accidents are a thing of the past and every journey is a safe one. Let us continue this vital work together, united in our efforts and driven by our shared responsibility. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಧ್ವನಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.